Hello guys, what's happening? Stalls here. I just wanted to make this quick video and kind of like show you guys something that's really giving me much momentum going forward. As you guys know, I'm working a 9 to 6 job, and I'm also doing like there's a learnership that I'm busy with on the side. So now I have also Forex that I'm doing, but I wanted to kind of like show you guys what I had. So last month, right, on the 3rd of January, look at this message here at the top. I had like 223 rands left. So what I do, I normally take my transport fare. This is my Capitec account, right? So these are all the messages that I had. So I had like 223 rands left after taking out my transport fare and dividing it into 4 weeks for the month, right? So I took out the last 223 because I thought I was ready to kind of like see what is it that I can do in the markets if I can't multiply my money or not going forward. So from that 223, I deposited into Deriv. With this message here, I took out 214, and then I made 121. I also took out 121 rands from my altcoin trader platform because I wanted the account to be a bit more bigger, but I ended up not depositing it, I don't know. But then later on, I received 206 rands from Deriv, right, on the 5th of Jan. So the 6th, I blew that money that I had in the account. So I deposited again 200 rands, blew that, deposited again 120, made 395 rands from Deriv. Check here. And then also I bought airtime for 40 rands. I had 358 rands left. I had bought milk for myself, left with 246 rands. And then with this message here, I blew whatever it is that was left in the account. So every time you see a manes that's coming from Deriv, just know that I blew some money, right? And then that's me actually depositing again. I had 571 rands left. This is week 2. It's on a Monday, as you can see here on top. I had 5 rands left. So that evening, I made 189 rands from the initial 240 that I deposited. I bought myself telecom data. Had 144 left. Blew the money that I had, and then I deposited 142 rands. And then later on Tuesday, I made 200 rands from Deriv. Took that money, 173 rands. I spent it at Checkers, but I don't know exactly what is it that I bought. I think I bought some milk and a whole lot of stuff, but I don't know what, to be precise. And then Thursday, I made 201 rands. Mind you, this is from 223 rands that I had initially, right? So I made 201 rands. I had 205 now in the account. Blew it there in the account, and then I made I deposited 200 again. Made 211 rands that same Friday. Withdrew that 200 rands, and this is the day when I bought something, takeaways and other things. That is last week Friday. On the Saturday, I made another money came in again. This is you see this 186 rand. It was supposed to come in with this 211 rands. Then now it was there. I had 186. On Monday, I blew my account in the morning. I think because of I had over traded over the weekend or something. But then I deposited 205 rands again into Deriv. I got 205 rands from Deriv, right? From the money initial 180 that I deposited, got 205 rands from Deriv. And then I took out 200 rands again to go and spend somewhere. Because I think this was the day when my little sister came around. My auntie's child came around, so I had to buy something, some sort of like groceries and small things so that I can get by and actually accommodate her. And then here I got 200 rands from Deriv again, and then I actually withdrew that 190. So now on my account I'm left with like 496 cents. So that with this I wanted to sort of like show you, because on Tuesday during my off day, if you've seen my previous video, I was off, man. I think I was off on a Tuesday for my 9 to 6 job. So I went to the learnership day. What turned out to be beautiful for me, what I saw, in overall the money that I've used into something useful for me from that 200 rands that I initially deposited right from here, right after taking out that 700 rands, I had only 223 rands left. Guys, I think I enjoyed profits of 1,000 rands plus in a week, which is actually way lot more. I think 100 and I don't know how much more. I've never actually I've never actually calculated how much they give me in a week here where I'm working, but I bet you it is way less, because relative to the month I'm getting way less here on my 9 to 6 rather than in trading, right? So I made more. I used my money beautifully. And as a matter of fact, you know how January is. If you're not working, if you're not having something that you're doing, or maybe you didn't manage your finds the best way in December. Guys, I enjoyed my January. I did not struggle in January. This was like, I think this is one of the best things that I'll ever look forward to. That I will never forget, right? So you guys, if you're watching this, just be motivated. I hope you know, because when ICT talks about making ends meet, I don't think it's a loss to have invested 200 rands and actually taking out 1,000 rands. I know this account was over leveraged, but that's because I have a strategy that I know. Even if I was to lose a trade in London session, or 2 trades in the London session, my $10 account was never breached, right? That's because I knew what I was doing. Sometimes I'd be overzealous and actually put in trades, and I will have it reverse on me whilst I'm not busy watching the charts. In fact, I can remember clearly there are $30 that the market gave me. It went to my direction, took out buy side or sell side, and then I wasn't on my phone then to check. Only when I'm backtesting later on I could see them, right? So if you can make 200 rands, if you can make more than 1,000 rands from 200 rands, and in a space of a week, is that a loss? I don't think that's a loss. So all I'm saying is, I hope you've seen what possibilities I can do. Because there's a brother of mine, Vuleni, asked me if what can I do from a $10 account? Do I think a $10 account is good for a startup? I think it was good, because initially going in, if you can check Proof Chronicles where they started, I was starting to manage how I feel about money. Like, I can understand when people say, I'm not afraid if I was to get stopped out, because I know that my trade is going to pan out many more times. I don't need to struggle about forcing my trades to pan out the way, or being afraid to enter the market because I have a small account and I might be stopped out. No, I wasn't. I actually learned a lot from this $10 account, and as of now, I think I'm going to journal later on today. I'm going to do a lot of journaling, because I've lived in the winner's circle for a week. 2 weeks, I think, and it feels beautiful. I don't want to lie, it felt beautiful. It felt beautiful. It felt beautiful as an independent person who doesn't have somebody giving you money, and you actually did this on your own with just a skill that you learned from somebody whom you've ever met. ICT, I mean, that's not a loss. It's a bargain. It's something that's beautiful that anyone can do. So right now I'm just imagining the possibilities, like of $20 days. Imagine having $20 days, $30 days. For now I'm thinking of going for $15 days. I don't think that would be a bad thing at all. And many of the trades that I took that were profitable here, they were predominantly in the London session, because I could just get to work around 9 o'clock, 10 past, half past there. I'm in a trade, give me $10, I'm done for the day, right? Sometimes I'll get in the morning, see a beautiful move, ride it to a stop hunt, and then ride it backwards again, because I know what it is that I'm looking for. Or at least I am 50-50 sure. I'm sure of what I'm doing when I'm trading, right? So guys, I hope you find this one beautiful and you actually learned something from it. And one thing that I loved also with this is, initially I had deposited 2,000 rands last month. I'll show you the history of the account. A month ago, 2 months back, I deposited 2,000 rands in this account, right? And I blew it. I only managed to withdraw around 500 rands, which is around, I think, $30 or so. That's the maximum I was able to withdraw, $50 or something, from just that $2,000 account. And from a $10 account, I managed to withdraw over 1,000 plus. Do you understand how I'm feeling now? Yes, so I'm over the moon. So guys, I hope you found something of value. Don't quit. Just learn a strategy, back test it, know it, such that if somebody was to wake you up in the middle of the night and ask you, what's your strategy that you're trading, you can be able to tell the person, man, I'm waiting for 2 o'clock in the morning via London session. I want to see whether they feel a fair value gap or take out stops on the buy side or sell side. And then after they do that, I'm looking for the market to tell me if they can speed away from where they've just taken out sell stop. If I have a fair value gap after a break of structure, I'm in, and then I can scale up from there. Get good with your strategy like that. If you can do that, man, you will be super rewarded for that. I'm gonna do a funded account soon. For now, I'm just relaxed. I don't want to deposit again, because I think I'm still feeling like I can do this quite often. But I wanna savor the moment. I wanna know, like, this feeling can last. I want this feeling to last for quite some time, right? So put in the work, guys, and keep on learning, keep on documenting, keep on knowing where is it. The thing is, again, I wanna shut up the people who, maybe if I am to be somebody great going forward, right? Because I have a beautiful plan this year that I'm gonna do. If they say that I'm a fraud or that or this and that, you guys will know, if you're watching this, that this guy started from $200 rands, and turned it into something beautiful. So I've got my game locked down. 2024, I've got everything of mine pinned down. Although it may be not 100%, but I know exactly what I'm looking for, and I know how the numbers are gonna work for me. Like, as of now, I wanna start with a $5,000 challenge from TFT. If I pass that, I'm gonna buy from the same payout that I'm gonna get. I'm gonna buy either $100,000 or $50,000 account. That's what I'm aiming for. But I will see, man. Hope you found something beautiful in this. We'll keep in touch. Oh, la.